Here's how you can prevent any app on your iPad from seeing your location. First, we'll go to Settings and we'll scroll down to Privacy and Security. From there, we'll go to Location Services. Here you'll see a list of apps that have requested to use your location, and the list view here gives you a good overview of the current status of each app. Most apps will either never have access to your location, or they have it while you're using the app. Some apps will also have a toggle for precise location. That allows you to determine whether the app can see only an approximate location or a precise location. Some apps will also have an option called Ask Next Time or When I Share. That means next time the app tries to use your location, iOS will show the permission prompt again, asking if you'd like to allow it. The When I Share part means that location will be allowed when you trigger a location-based feature inside the app. If you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see a little explanation for the arrows. Purple arrow means an app has recently used your location. Gray arrow means that app has used your location within the last 24 hours. And that's how you prevent apps from seeing your location. One thing you'll notice is that the list here does not usually include every app on your iPad. That's because only the apps that have asked for permission to see your location are listed here. If an app never uses location or has never asked for it, it won't be displayed here. Click that like button if this helped you and subscribe for more easy guides like this.